it had been a while, and don't comment about the name. It was just random thought 6 years ago, and ever since that day, it's just been on and off, on and off.
Yeah.
We buy money and sell money as bankers. So what is the net?
Yeah.
So she was telling, she was, oh my God, you have such large percentages.
Problem is when you do a 100% lockdown or at least 95% lockdown, then the economy is the next target.
Raniz, hey Raniz, thanks a lot for joining. Really appreciate it. I represent the fashion retail industry. Fashion retail industry is highly affected right now due to the ongoing pandemic.
Yeah, so I was setting up base for that answer.
Sorry, man. Not a man with a lot of patience.
Now, what really needs to happen is we need to kind of define what that prosperity is.
Right.
People need to redefine what that prosperity is. They need to come to a common place as to what it is.
Example I give you from my personal experience is I order my groceries via phone from a supermarket chain, and on average it takes me 24 tries to connect.
Yeah.
And have you realized that you are actually saving more money now?
And
you can actually not afford to spend on those, and you just realize that you don't really have to spend on those things.
I'm so glad that I started. I think this COVID-19 that was scenario that was going on. I actually really wanted to connect with some really movers and shakers in my mind, and probably the next leadership group of Sri Lanka. And I just wanted to find out what's going on and what do they think and how they see the world will evolve. I mean, so far we had such amazing conversation with multiple people, and I hope to continue it on Ask Rohanche series. It's not the typical YouTube series where it's a 10-minute and quick bite-size information. These are 20-30 minute conversations, but if you really stick it out and if you listen to these conversations, I think it's a really eye-opener about how different people sees the world pre, during and post COVID-19. I'm sure you'll find them useful. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and I hope you will enjoy them as much as I had interviewing these guys.